Viewers, today we will learn one of the algebra math, but which is so much important. First of all, the math is this: x minus 1 by x equals to 3. Now find the value of x square plus 1 by x square equal to what? So here you can see we have to make the value of this one, and as the clue we have this one. Now some of you tell we can use different ways, means check those squares, but logicless. Some of the people will tell the question may be wrong because here is plus, here is minus. So what to do from here? Absolutely, for this place we need to use a formula. The formula is this one: a plus a square plus b square equals to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Now this is one rule, and we can also use another rule too for another question: a minus b whole square plus 4ab. And for this math we can use this rule. So let's solve it. First of all, don't be frustrated by seeing this fraction, because that's one word, nothing else. So we can imagine these things or write these things like this. Now let me break down. We are giving a square also before the 1, also the x. But why are we doing that? Here is only 1 square before the x. So in this case, if you multiply 1 equal to 1, means in how many times you multiply, you will get this 1. Means there is nothing too much problem if you do that. But some of you who do directly from here to there will be a little bit better. But this line is for understanding. So now think, this is x square and this is 1 by x square. So here this is a, this is b. So you can see this rule and here, so much easy. Now bracket x plus, here is given minus, so some of the people will give plus because by seeing this rule like this, but that's not a rule. Actually the rule is minus whole square plus 4ab. Now I also get sometimes puzzled with the ab and also the x by 1 by x square. So here the rule 1 by x. So now we shouldn't give the square here. So here at this position, this 2 will be cut and only this will be alive from here, right? So we can give this equals to, now here we have the clue, so we can use easily 3 here, 3 whole square plus 4. As the rule, we will get 9 plus 4 equals to 13. And this looking hard, but very easy to do. The math is done. But sometime you will see, you will become so much happy when you see that. But your mind can be again go in a deep sleep when some of the people will see this: x4 plus 1 by x4. Now how can you make rule of this? Same rule, there is nothing to be frustrated. Same rule. So first of all, think the same thing: x square, that's whole square. This is the rule of this kind of math. And then Again, the same term. You can use like this. I am doing the proper one in here. So, if you also erase this line from this math, nothing will be the problem because this line is extra. So, as these things, we must have to do this line in this math. We are using the same value. So, we have to take the minus 1. Means, now x, but in this math, if you see, if we use this one, 1 by x square, and then a whole square minus 4 x square by 1 by x square. Actually, when the question will become like this, must become like this. This will be plus in this kind of question. If it doesn't come, then the rule goes to another question. So we have to get the deal on that x plus 1 by x equals to 3. We have to use the plus value. So by that way, now we have to again took the rule from here. Plus value, but you can also use the minus value for the case of the math. Here I am using these things to here. Means same. Minus 4x multiplied by 1 by x give second bracket, because we have already used this first bracket to here, so we have to must use the second bracket. Then this square, we make the rule of the formula of this part, not the entire part. So now again we have to give minus 4 x square, not x square, actually just like this. Means we are not doing this part. So cut that. This will minimize the shape. So here the value we take that 3. 3x square minus 4, and that's whole square minus 4. Now 9 minus 4 whole square minus 4. Now 9 minus 4 equal to 5. 5 whole square minus 4 equals to 25 minus 4. And finally our answer 21. So if we use the minus, means the minus clue, then there in every place here would come plus, 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 like this. But we use the minus rule, and also we take this to understand the rule, this one, because you know that in the previous math I already talked about this one. So this is two of the most important math. So as you comment, please comment that x plus 1 by x equals to 9, and what will be the value of x4 plus 1 by x4. Comment. So by that all way, this was our math today, and thanks for listening, and subscribe my channel for getting more vlogs like that. Bye.